Legends of Learning presents the Domino Squared game. This is a math game that makes learning about integer exponents fun and easy to understand. In this informative instructional game, match exponent expressions in this fun-filled game of dominoes. You will learn more about integer exponents as you play this game. Your goal is to connect all the domino pieces on their sides with an equivalent expression. Use your mouse to click on specific pieces with numbers to select them, and then rotate the pieces in a specific direction to place the piece on the domino board to correctly match the expressions. Position your mouse and click on the domino board where you would like to drop the pieces. Use your knowledge of exponential laws to complete all the levels to win the game. Use your math knowledge of exponents to complete the game. So, are you ready to accept the challenge? Do you have the right math skills to win the game? Apply all your knowledge on exponents in order to win the game. Have fun and enjoy playing.